Welcome to FactSparkWave. You're about to discover creatures so strange they seem made up. In today's video, we're diving into 10 crazy facts about animals that will leave you speechless. 10 of the most shocking, scientifically proven, and mind-blowing facts you've ever heard. These aren't random trivia, they're real discoveries backed by research, observation, and sometimes pure wonder. At FactSparkWave, we believe knowledge should inspire awe and action. So get comfortable, because what you're about to learn could change how you see life, nature, and the universe itself. 1. Butterflies don't just flutter aimlessly, they taste with their feet. Special sensory organs on their legs allow them to sample plants the moment they land. This helps them determine if a leaf is safe and nutritious for their future caterpillars. It's a survival superpower. One wrong choice could doom their offspring. Scientists at the University of Kansas found that female butterflies can detect chemical signals from dozens of plant species in seconds. This incredible adaptation ensures the next generation gets the best start possible. Think about that next time you see a butterfly resting on a flower. It's not just enjoying the view. It's running a biochemical analysis deciding the fate of hundreds of eggs. Nature doesn't need technology. It evolved its own lab millions of years ago. 2. Jellyfish are among the most ancient and mysterious creatures on Earth. Some, like Turritopsis dohrnii, are biologically immortal. After reaching adulthood, they can revert to their juvenile polyp stage, essentially restarting their life cycle. This process can repeat indefinitely, making them ageless unless eaten or diseased. Discovered in the 1980s, this reverse aging baffles scientists. Unlike humans whose cells degrade over time, these jellyfish reprogram their cells like software updates. While we fight aging with medicine, they've evolved a natural reset button. They have no brain, heart, or bones, yet they've survived 5 mass extinctions. In oceans full of predators, the secret to immortality isn't strength, it's simplicity. The Turritopsis doesn't conquer death, it just ignores it. 3. Cows are far more emotionally complex than we once believed. They form deep friendships, show signs of stress when separated, and even groom each other like primates. A landmark study from the University of Northampton revealed that cows have best friends, individuals they prefer to stand near, eat with, and rest beside. When paired with their favorite cow, their heart rates drop, showing reduced stress. But when isolated from them, cortisol levels rise significantly. This emotional intelligence challenges the idea that farm animals are unfeeling. These gentle giants build social bonds just like humans do. They remember faces, respond to kindness, and suffer from loneliness. The next time you see a field of cows, remember, behind those calm eyes is a rich inner world of friendship, memory, and connection. 4. Wolves don't howl at the moon. They howl to find their pack. Each wolf has a unique vocal signature, like a fingerprint, allowing others to identify who's calling. Packs often howl together, strengthening social bonds and coordinating movements across vast forests. Research from Yellowstone National Park shows that family groups howl more when members are missing, especially pups or mates. It's not just communication, it's emotion. The chorus creates unity, reassurance, and identity. Contrary to myth, wolves rarely howl during full moons. They howl when they need to connect. In a world that glorifies independence, wolves remind us that belonging is a survival tool. Their voices echo through the night, not in loneliness, but in loyalty. 5. Chameleons don't change color just to blend in. They do it to express emotions and regulate temperature. Stress, excitement, or sunlight can trigger vibrant shifts in seconds. Males flash bright colors to attract mates or intimidate rivals. When calm, they turn green or brown. Their skin contains layers of special cells, chromatophores for color and iridophores with nanocrystals that reflect light. By relaxing or exciting these cells, chameleons create dazzling displays. A study from the University of Geneva showed they can switch patterns in milliseconds. This isn't camouflage, it's communication. In the animal kingdom, appearance isn't always about hiding. Sometimes it's about saying, "This is me." 6. Ants may be tiny, but their sleep habits are extraordinary. Instead of one long rest, they take over 250 micronaps a day, each lasting about a minute. This polyphasic rhythm keeps the colony active 24/7 without downtime. Researchers at the University of Arizona observed Temnothorax albipens ants using high-speed cameras and found that worker ants nap constantly, often mid-task. This allows continuous food transport, nest maintenance, and defense. It's not exhaustion, it's efficiency. Their brains recharge in seconds, letting them stay alert for threats. While humans need 7 to 9 hours of consolidated sleep, ants have evolved a completely different strategy. Their secret? Ultra-fast neural recovery. While we dream, they power cycle. It's a reminder that nature doesn't follow one rulebook. It writes countless versions, each perfectly adapted to its environment. 7. Sharks are older than trees, by over 60 million years. Fossil records show sharks swimming Earth's oceans 450 million years ago, while the first trees appeared only 385 million years ago. These ancient predators have survived 4 major extinction events, including the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. There are over 500 species today, from the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the whale shark, the largest fish on Earth. Sharks don't have bones. Their skeleton is made of cartilage, making them lighter and more flexible. Their skin is covered in tiny scales called dermal denticles that reduce drag and silence their approach. With electroreceptors in their snouts, they can detect a heartbeat from miles away. Sharks aren't mindless killers. They're apex engineers of marine ecosystems, and they've been perfecting their design since before forests existed. 8. Squirrels are masters of deception. When hiding nuts, they often pretend to bury them, digging a hole and covering it up, even though they're holding the nut in their mouth. This fake burying tricks thieves like jays or other squirrels into wasting time digging up empty holes. A study published in Animal Cognition showed that squirrels are more likely to fake bury when they know they're being watched. This shows advanced awareness of others' intentions, a trait once thought unique to primates. It's not instinct, it's tactical thinking. These clever rodents plan ahead, protect their resources, and outsmart competitors. Next time you see a squirrel burying a nut, remember, it might just be putting on a performance. In the wild, survival isn't just about strength, it's about smarts. 9. Kangaroos are built for forward motion, so much so that they can't walk backwards. Their massive tail, powerful hind legs, and specialized tendons make reverse movement nearly impossible. This physical quirk is so iconic that kangaroos were placed on the Australian coat of arms to symbolize progress and moving forward. Evolution favored speed and balance in hopping, sacrificing backward flexibility. Even when feeding, they pivot rather than retreat. This unique anatomy helps them escape predators at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Their tail acts as a fifth limb, providing stability and power. While other animals adapt to terrain, kangaroos mastered one direction: forward. In a world obsessed with second chances, nature sometimes says, keep going, don't look back. 10. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are the toughest animals on Earth, and possibly in space. These microscopic creatures can survive boiling water, absolute zero, radiation, and the vacuum of outer space. In 2007, scientists sent them into orbit, and many returned alive after 10 days of direct cosmic exposure. How? They enter a ton state, retract their limbs, dry out, and suspend metabolism. Their DNA is protected by a special protein called DSUP, which shields it from radiation damage. Some have survived over 30 years in this dormant state. Biologists believe studying tardigrades could help humans endure long space travel or extreme climates. They're not indestructible, but they come closer than anything else on the planet. In a universe full of extremes, the tardigrade says, I'm ready. There you have it, 10 of the craziest, most unbelievable animal facts known to science. From immortal jellyfish to deceptive squirrels, nature doesn't play by our rules. Which creature amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, share it with a fellow nature lover, and subscribe to FactSparkWave for more jaw-dropping facts every week. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed, and keep riding the wave of knowledge.